Hello viewers, welcome to the MAKHAN'S cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy and tasty raw banana fry. With just a few simple ingredients, it's quick, easy and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Peel and slice the raw bananas. Let's heat some oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and dried red chilies. Add the chopped onions and fry them until they turn soft. Now add some curry leaves and green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and salt. Give everything a good mix. Next add the sliced raw bananas and coat them nicely with the masala. Cook for a few minutes until the bananas are tender and slightly crispy. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh coriander leaves, and that's it. Our tasty raw banana fry is ready to serve. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the MAKHAN'S cooking. Thanks for watching.